Celine! Happy birthday, Jeda! Celine! Happy birthday, Jeda! Celine! Celine! Happy birthday, happy birthday! Happy birthday, Jeda! Oh, Celine! Celine!
Kat, alam mo ito. Magdalagang-dalaga ka na. Kailan tayo pagkikita? Magpapakabait ka dyan, 18 years old ka na. Dibu mo na. Huwag kang makakalimot. Si Papa Dom mo, ha? Bati ko, binati mo na rin siya. Kababirthday lang din niya. O, mama mo, kumusta rin siya, ha? Miss na miss ko na kayo dyan. Pati si mama mo, sabihin mo sa kanya, kumusta na lamang siya, ha? Happy birthday, Apo. Magpapakabait ka. Ano ngayon ang course mo na kinukuha mo ngayon? Siguro, ang maganda na ang buhay mo ngayon dyan, ha? Oh. Sige, Apo, happy birthday ulit. Magpapakabait ka. God bless. Pusta na lang si mama mo. Sige.
Hi, Kat. How are you? Ito si Tita Ann mo. It's your birthday. Hope you will enjoy your birthday. Lalo na ngayon, 18th birthday ka na, Debu. Kaya lahat ng mga pangarap mo sa buhay, wish ko na makamit mo lahat ang mga pangarap mo sa buhay. Lalo na ngayon. At saka alam ko naman na ang pangarap mo ay matutupad mo lahat yun. Always be humble at saka ikaw maging mabuting anak. Napakabuti mong anak para sa iyong mama and sa iyong daddy. Always take care and God bless you. Kat, we miss you and we love you. Happy birthday, 18th birthday. Take care and we do really miss you a lot. Ingat kayo lagi dyan and take care. Alam ko, ingat kayo lagi dyan.
Okay.
Happy birthday, Jeda. We miss you.
Happy birthday, Ate Jeda. We miss you.
Happy birthday, Ate Jeda. We miss you.
Ate Jeda. Hey, come on.
Happy birthday, Jeda.
Hey Kat, just wanted to greet you a happy birthday, and yeah, take care always and hope to see you soon. Bye.
Happy birthday, Kat! Ang liit-liit mo pa noon. Ngayon dalaga ka na. You turn into 18. May wish for you na sana bigyan ka pa ni God ng maraming birthday, good health, and sana maabot mo pa yung mga pangarap mo sa buhay. Stay kind and humble, and of course, stay beautiful. And once again, happy birthday. Enjoy your day and God bless.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Jeda. Happy birthday, Jeda. Wish you a very good life. Love you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Jeda.
Say happy birthday, ate. Happy birthday. Say happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Yeah, happy birthday, Jeda.
I want that. That's silly. I don't like people that.
Hi Kat! Happy 18th birthday!
May your day be filled with joy, laughter, and all the love you deserve.
We may be 1,000 miles apart, but always know that we are here cheering for your success in all aspects of your life. God bless you, Kat, and may God grant all your heart desire. Good health, Kat, and here's to many more adventures together with your family. See you soon, Kat! We love you! Thank you! Mwah! Ikaw! Mwah!
Hi Kat! Happy 18th birthday, and this is Ate Honey from the Philippines. My wish for you is always do your best in all the things that you're doing, because God is always with you and He's guiding you. And may God bless you abundantly, and despite being at your legal age, always choose to listen to your parents because they know what is best for you. And always remember the teaching of God. In that way, you will grow beautifully and elegantly in His presence. Happy birthday and God bless you.
Hello, Kat Kat. Happy birthday. I hope you still remember me. This is Kuya Mark. Now, as you enter into adulthood, don't forget to trust and acknowledge God in your life. May God grant all your desires, and I declare blessings upon your life. May God's faithfulness and protection be upon you always. Happy birthday, and God bless you.
Hi Kat! Happy birthday! I'm Ate Diday, and my prayer for you is God will grant the desires of your heart in His perfect time and will, and also more birthday to come, and enjoy life together with the Lord. Happy birthday!
Hi Kath, I'm Teacher Joy. We are your Sunday school teachers before. Maybe you already forgot us.
Yeah.
But always remember that God is with you always, and continue to delight yourself to God because He will grant the desires of your heart.
Amen.
Happy birthday!
Mwah! Mwah! Very good! Mwah! Say hi! Hi, Ate Kat Kat! Happy birthday!
Hello, Kat Kat. Jedalyn, how are you? Kumusta na kayong lahat dyan? It's 7 years old pa lang nung last na nagkita tayo. Now, 18 years old ka na. It's your debut. Happy birthday, anak. Wala man akong maibigay na gift sa iyo. Kantahan na lang kita ng simpleng happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Yan. Katulad mo rin, pinantahan mo din ako ng birthday ko. Yun lang kasi yung kaya nating i-share sa bawat isa. Anyways, papasalamat ako at naging part din ako ng birthday mo. At sana more good health saka more blessings. Tandaan mo, anak, I'm so very much very proud ako sa iyo. Lahat ng achievements mo, happy ako sa nangyayari sa iyo at sa mga magagawa mo pang sa susunod na mga araw. And thank you very much sa pagiging mabait, good girl, hindi pasaway. Siyempre, proud, basta proud ako sa iyo, anak. Tandaan mo, mahal na mahal kita, and I miss you so much. And ibigyan mo na rin ako ng chance, nabatiin ko na rin si mami mo ng belated happy birthday, and let's give her a credit na talagang gumagawa ng lahat, ginagawa niya ang lahat para sa iyo mula nung baby ka hanggang sa ngayon, andyan pa rin siya. Kaya sobrang always be thankful kay mami mo ha, kasi talagang ang laki ng sakripisyo niya para sa iyo. Kung alam mo lang anak, mula nung nung baby ka at mula nung hindi ka pa pinapanganak, talagang grabe. Superwoman ng mami mo. Sana like mother, like daughter. Kasi si mami mo talaga, grabe yung ang sakripisyo niya sa iyo. Sa kanya ko lang nakita talaga na talagang hindi pangkaraniwan yung ginawa niya na sacrifice para sa iyo anak. Kung saan ka man naroon ngayon, lahat yan talagang si mami mo talaga yung si mami mo talaga yung bigyan natin ng malaking credit. And thank you din kay Sir Warren. Thank you sir for for always understanding my daughter Jedalyn and being the father of Jedalyn. I salute you sir. I salute you very much. You are very very kind and thank you for being part of their life. And hope sana you will not change. And sa Inday, maraming salamat din sa pag-iintindi mo sa anak mo, anak natin. At yan lang siguro. And more blessings anak and good health talaga. Always take care. Mahal na mahal kita. I love you so much, Kat. Yan dito na lang siguro. Enjoy your day. Enjoy your day. It's your special day. At sana maging successful ka someday. Love you. Okay, bye. Miss you so much. Sana magkita pa tayo.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Kat Kat. Happy birthday, Kat. Wishing all the best to come in your life.
We hope and pray that you will be of good health, that you will receive all the good things that life can offer. Good health, good future, and the best of life. Gabalik-balik na. Happy birthday and God bless ka.
Happy birthday.
Oh, off na.
So in behalf of Jesus Christ family, happy birthday po, Jeda. 18th birthday.